Today I went to San Diego Zoo, Safari Park, which is in San Diego, and I went there with my little sister, Jessie. There is another zoo in San Diego, but it's not a safari park one. This one is where you can ride a car and see the animals. There was cars there that we could rent, but Jessa wasn't an early bird, so we were late. So we had to walk on our feet without a car. This is a map. We got one because we needed to see where we were going. Right now we are here, and this is the way we are going. There are a lot of birds in this safari park, but the best ones are the pink flamingos. These pink flamingos are so beautiful, and there's so many of them. This is the kind of lucky statue of the hog. If people pet it, they might become lucky, and their wishes might come true. This is the Mombasa Logan. And there might be animals in the water. These are some strange animals. Maybe there's some kind of piggies. These are also strange looking piggies too. Jessa loved everything. Jessa was even trying to think how to feed the duckies. We are here. We sat down to have a rest and took some food to eat because we were hungry and starving. Jessa wanted to feed some more birdies, and she even found some pelicans. I think the pelicans were scared of her and were flapping their wings because they were scared. Meanwhile, I was so hot. I decided to go under some water air so I can cool down. And it even made my hair wet. Ugh, it's so better now. I think we can start walking now. Now we're going to see a lot more African animals. We were starting to see some leopards now. Even a lot of rhinos. I feel like they're hot too. I think they're trying to rest under the shade. we took an African train. Now we didn't have to walk so much.
12 previous northern white rhinos who have since passed on. And we're hoping that with that genetic material that we are preserving, we can turn it into embryos that will be implanted into the uteruses.
This is a huge area with African animals. In this zoo, there are almost 4,000 types of animals.
Live primarily blending into the shadows of their woodland homes, just like a ninja. It's also displaying social rank, though. They have a very competitive hierarchy dynamic amongst each other. And the darker coloration they are, the higher up in rank they go, all the way to whoever is in charge leading the group. But you can also see the white on their bodies is very high contrast against that dark brown. That is, on their basis, a threat map, and it is meant to highlight those hordes and send that threat message across to each other, which is why it's only on those parts of the body. Overall, they're still blending in, but up close, they are...
Oh, I think I can see some antelopes now. And I can see some giraffes. Me and Jessa like this zoo. This is the gorilla forest. This sign says there is a red-cheeked gibbon. This is one of the gorilla area. And this gorilla looks like it's the boss of this area. There was one more activity to do, the hot air balloon. But of course, Jessa didn't want to go because she was scared of it. But I wanted to go. This is a very fun zoo, and I suggest that you go to it.